Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I use one rotisserie chicken to make 4 dinners out of. So let's get started.
I started off by deboning my chicken. Now this is the Walmart chicken. If you get your chicken from Costco, it's going to be bigger and you're going to get a lot more meat out of it. So I'm portioning up my chicken into 4. It helps a lot to know what you're going to cook before you start portioning it, just so you know how much to put in each bag. And also, if you want to use the dark meat or the white meat, if you have a preference in each dish, this is going to help a lot. So I'm just going to portion them and then write the name of the dish on top of the bag. And then the day where I'm going to cook, I'll just pull that portion and start cooking. You can also use the bones to make some chicken broth if you want. So for the first meal, I'm using this salad kit. It's a taco salad kit and the big flour tortillas. These are the burrito size, and 1 portion of the chicken to make some rolls. I'm also gonna use lettuce, cheese, some croutons, and sriracha sauce and ranch sauce to make another salad, just because I didn't get enough of the taco salad kit, and that way we can have a variety too. So let me show you how I'll make it. So basically, after making the salad, I'm just gonna place them in the tortillas and then put some chicken on top and just roll them, and that's it. It's an easy, quick dinner using just a few ingredients. So with 1 portion of the rotisserie chicken, I'm gonna make chicken enchiladas. So I have here my corn tortillas,
black beans. Hi. My Rotel, a can of red enchilada sauce. This is the 28-ounce can. And some cheese. For seasonings, I'm gonna use some fajita seasonings, but you can use taco seasoning or just salt and pepper if you want.
To a bowl, I'm adding my washed and drained beans. Now I'm also adding the chicken and the can of diced tomatoes with green chilies and also some fajita seasoning, and I'm gonna mix everything together. I wrapped the tortillas in a wet paper towel and put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute, and this is supposed to prevent it from breaking, but it always does break. So if you guys have any tip, please let me know. To the bottom of my casserole dish, I added some of the enchilada sauce, and now I'm gonna start making the enchiladas, rolling them, and then placing them in the casserole dish. After finishing all the enchiladas, I'm gonna pour the rest of that enchilada sauce on top, and then sprinkle some cheese. I'm using cheddar jack cheese. Cover it with an aluminum foil and bake it in the oven on 375 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. And then after that, you can also put it under the broiler.
For today's recipe, I'm going to use a part of the rotisserie chicken to make chicken Alfredo pasta. So I have here my chicken. I have 8 ounces of mushrooms, a pound of fettuccine pasta. I'm going to use a cup of heavy cream. I'm going to use half of this large onion, 3 tablespoons of butter, and half a cup of Parmesan cheese. For the seasonings, I'm using salt and pepper.
I'm just cooking the pasta according to the package instructions, and now I am melting the butter. After melting the butter, I'm adding now the onions, and I'm gonna saute the onions for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna add the mushrooms and saute the mushrooms for about 5 minutes until their color change, and then I'm gonna add the chicken and the cup of heavy cream and bring it to a boil. After bringing it to a boil, I'm gonna bring the heat down and simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the sauce thickens a little. And then I'm gonna mix in the half a cup of Parmesan cheese and then add some salt and pepper. Then I will turn off the heat and mix in the cooked pasta.
Okay, so for our fourth and last recipe with the rotisserie chicken, I'm gonna make fried rice, chicken fried rice. So I'm using the last of my rotisserie chicken, 3 cups of cooked rice. So if you're gonna cook the rice, 1.5 cups of uncooked rice. And you're gonna need about 3 green onions, 2 large eggs. I'm also using 12-ounce bag of frozen peas and carrots. And then you need some kind of oil. Also, I'm using about a tablespoon of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and salt and pepper to taste.
I'm adding some olive oil and sesame oil to my pan and I'm gonna heat them up. Then I'm gonna add the frozen peas and carrots and some of the green onions and saute them for a few minutes. Then I will add a couple of tablespoons of minced garlic and cook everything together for about 30 seconds, just because we don't want to burn that garlic. Then I'll add the 2 eggs and scramble them. Once the eggs are fully scrambled, I'm gonna add the chicken and the cooked rice. And then I will mix everything together, add the soy sauce, salt and pepper, and give it a good mix, and then our meal will be ready.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!